Do you know what it takes to rebuild a car? This is a 1967 Camaro convertible. Depending on the type of build it is, it'll take somewhere between a year to 2 years to source the parts and get it all right all through completion. For example, in this car, we had to cut this quarter panel all the way down here, move it out by 1/8 of an inch, and also move this section here forward. That was the only way to get the fender well in the right spot and also do the right width. Safety is of utmost concern. So a car like this here being a resto mod, we're adding modern seats that have a proper headrest if you do get rear-ended. It has bolsters for performance or if there's a side impact. It also has for comfort a heating and cooling seats as well. Each vehicle we build is a unique piece of art. Every client can choose what they want to build style as a stock or performance. This one chose performance, high performance. So we're using Speed Tech equipment. The springs, the shocks, all this stuff is all engineered and designed for racing purposes, but it's very streetable. So that's what we use on this particular car. This is just a quick overview of a restoration process. There's 33,000 parts in every vehicle, which all need to be challenged, replaced, rebuilt, whichever. If you have any questions, please give us a call. We'll show you extraordinary.